Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Paul from Canadian Woodworks and Legacy Lumber coming back at you with another iPhone vlog. Hope you like this. It's not just one day, it's many days kind of mashed together. It's what I do. Hope you enjoy it. Maybe you learn something, maybe you laugh. Let us know. Enjoy the video. All right, here we are, another iPhone vlog. It's a beautiful day. We'll see how the day ends up. We're gonna head into the shop, see what's going on. Rob's here from Concept 13 picking up some lumber. He's our dealer in the Toronto area.
Hi guys.
He's sporting the Canadian Woodworks swag and the Concept 13 hat. All right, check this out. He's also getting some Mappa burl. We got a whole bunch of this lumber. We import it directly from Serbia. It is kiln dried by us in our vacuum kiln, so it's kiln dried very, very well, nice and flat. And as you see, Rob has most of his lumber already surfaced. It's all ready for you. So again, if you need some Mappa burl, get in touch with our dealers. It's beautiful stuff. All right, that is sweet. Show the other side, just give an example. So we just put some water on this. This is what it looks like before the water. Spin around. Oh man.
Wow.
Let me get right in there too. Look at this thing.
Wow.
So this is available from Rob, Concept 13.
Come get it guys, it won't last long, that's for sure.
All right, there he goes, back to the city. Temperature of the wood, how long it's been heating for, total heating time. We got some needles going on here, and basically this needle needs to be slightly ahead of this needle, you know, just visually. So far so good, and it will automatically adjust that. Check it out, automatic. I can do it manually, but this one's pretty good. Using the jointer planer, chainsaw tool, chainsaw. Look at this. Oh, I can't get to the bolt. This is my driveway. This is our scrap wood pile from the sawmill, also wood boiler food. Here's the actual pile of logs we're gonna go through. This was dropped off a long time ago from a tree service company, and there is some stuff in there. Troy's gonna hop in the telehandler, and I'll operate the X, and I'm gonna get them loaded up. What, this stuff here? Yeah, I'm gonna pick through it. There's some small stuff in there. Don't worry about it. All right, I will be the first to tell you I am a wood hoarder. That includes logs, wood chips, sawdust, green lumber, dried lumber, even halfway finished projects and finished projects. I hoard them all. So I have a pile of wood back here, which does have legit firewood in it. We're gonna pull through it right now. I'm gonna pull out the firewood logs, so we're gonna get those cut up, and we call that the old Salvaging. We call it the wood boiler food. Excavator here for the help. So we picked through the pile pretty good. I did separate the logs that I want to continue hoarding and eventually saw up into some really cool lumber, but there's still a lot of stragglers in here. So I'm going to do one more load. I'm going to poke through all of this and finally be satisfied after driving by this pile for years thinking there's some wood boiler food in there. Look at that one. Ooh, even that one. Oh, we got another one. Now look who's back. All right, there he goes. Last load. Gotta go cut up some firewood now. We don't get to see it here too much. Let me zoom in actually. This is part of our log yard, which has logs strewn about everywhere. It's a yard full of logs. All right, load it up. This is why I love using the excavator to load up the telehandler. The guys back here are scrambling, make it look like they're working hard. I'm just kidding, they're working hard. Cutting up the liquid gold. With lumber prices shooting up, it's actually pretty expensive to start making crates. This stuff used to be like $9 a sheet and it's up to 30 something. This is gonna be for the base. Just missed it. We got a map of Burl table in here. Where's this heading, Justin?
Georgia.
Georgia. I get my peaches from Georgia. I think somebody said that recently. We had a custom campfire base made by Tailored Custom Fab in London. We get a lot of campfire bases from them, super popular. This one's on casters, so I can give it a little push. Woo! So the clients will be able to move their table around, which is pretty cool. So tabletop in here, legs in here, off to Georgia. You guessed it, let's check on the vacuum kiln again. You can see what's going on. So it's had a total of 53 hours of heating time now. It's been running for 16 minutes right now. And it's been adjusting the needles very well. This one's been staying ahead, which is great. And then slowly this number will drop. This is just kind of like a reference number to how many times it's, you know, where in its adjustment phase it is. So that's a little important number to know. Heating time, temperature. There's the temperature of the wood right now. That's the vacuum. So I do just check on this daily, every few hours anyways. If I'm walking by, I check on it. Just in case, you never know. We're back at it out here. We got some new walnut we're gonna be surfacing flat, the epoxy and some C-channels all wrapped up. All right, this is a mystery log. I think it's gonna be a maple. Literally every day I drive past this log thinking, I wonder what that is. I'm gonna saw it up. So this should be coming soon for Slabber Day Saturday. The mystery log sawmill. It's got mushrooms on the end, so more likely it's an oak, but not necessarily. Spalting maple will have mushrooms. Really, almost any species can have mushrooms on the end. And it's a beautiful day out here. 16, 17 degrees Celsius. This one here is heading off to England. That's exciting. Got some bow ties in there. Insanely beautiful book match going on. Also finished with the Rubio monocoat, sanded up to 220 grit. Beautiful sheen. Live edge, not too crazy. And this is a 48-inch wide, so you need some pretty large slabs for around here to get a full 48. Now we got a 3-board table, so we got 3 pieces of walnut for this one here. We also got the Rubio monocoat on there, looking good. Also this one here, we've sold this table, which is sweet. We've had this in stock for a while, and this got sold with our 20% discount through our online store. We don't do it too often, and we don't even have stock tables in stock too often. But this one is heading out shortly. We got walnut with black epoxy. We're gonna give it a quick cleanup, refresh it back to new, and it'll be off to its new home. Take a look at this map of burl. Beautiful stuff. Fresh out of the vacuum kiln. Hopefully we're gonna get it surfaced flat soon. This stuff is super burly. This is just a little teaser of the edge. This is the Doyle log stick used to scale the lumber, scale the log to tell us how much lumber is in there. This is what you look for in walnut. If you have a black stain like this, you know there's some metal very close. And so we had some metal in there, folks. Looks like you got it out. Oh, check it out. The guy's got the coffee table up here. We do want it over there in the middle of all the chairs, but it has arrived. Oh, hello, Shadow. Sweet. Being asked to laser cut something like this. Here's a sample. Unfortunately, I just broke the N off. Oh no, never eat shredded wheat. I broke off the W, which is west. Vacuum pump is working. It actually sucks water off of the floor when it starts, so it kind of has a rattle-tattle noise to it. Once the water's gone, it quiets right down. While I've been playing with logs, the guys have got it all packed up. Safety cones and all. Good job, guys. We added a little bit of a safety zone here too. That way, if they do bump it with the forks or bump it with something, it's going to hit this outside piece and not affect the crate holding the table. Wood boiler heats the shop, which won't have to do very soon, and this one heats the kiln. Right now we're adding a second kiln, so that's why we need a lot of firewood. This is the pile of logs we just grabbed. So what I'll do with the excavator is I'll be able to swing around, grab a log from there, and almost drive very, very close to inside my shed, cut it up, and get it piled. Trying to work smarter, not harder, folks. lunchtime. On the Avid CNC, we got a big old ash slab, it looks like, getting surfaced. Ooh, Rubio monocoat, baby. Got a whole skid of lumber heading out to Marcel at London Lumber in New Brunswick. And here's what that ash slab is gonna look like once it's surfaced. Beautiful. Need a little TLC right here. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stay at it. I'm gonna keep my phone in my pocket. I'm gonna remember to pull it out, get some clips of what I'm doing, what my guys are doing on a weekly basis. We're gonna match it up in a video like this. Hope you like it. If you do, please let us know down in the comments. If you just really hate what you just watched, but you watched it right to the end, also please, in the comments, let us know. Just throw that thumbs down then. Just bam, smash that thumbs down. It's all good. YouTube will kick us off. Nobody can watch anything. Why are we even doing this? All right, everyone, make it a great one.